the bison. What's Billy the bison doing? Yeah, he's Billy. Yeah. You like me better than Billy. You're staring right at me. Woo! Billy the bison, he's gonna get you. Oh, I think you got him. What are you gonna do with him? Hmm? Grab him. He's soft. Yeah, Billy is soft. Yeah, who is he? Get you. Yeah, he gonna get you. Yeah. He's gonna get you. Yeah. Yes. Of course. Always. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. You love Daddy? Yeah. You love Daddy more than Mommy? That's so nice of you. That is very sweet. Yeah. Yeah. You don't understand why Mommy... She does sleep all the time. Every morning she's sleeping. And Daddy plays with you. That's right. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. You're just non-stop this morning. Usually you're sleeping right now. But you got... Yeah, you slept plenty yesterday. So today you're going to be wakey. Mm-hmm. Oops, got that on video. Yeah, don't want to miss that. Oops. Yep. Woo. Yeah. Woo. You're upset now? You're upset?